Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a hair right in my face. I am giving you my update for Project Polish. After slacking for like most of the first half of the year, I'm back on track, I think. I'm like updating. I'm actually doing some stuff. I've been using my polishes all along, but I feel like the ball is rolling again, and hopefully I can do a little bit more with the rest of this year. I am very excited to say that I actually have a polish finished. It is one that was in my focus polishes for last month, and one of those is done. I actually have it on my toes right now, but I'm not going to show you my toes because I could get really awkward trying to get my foot up here in front of the camera. Suffice it to say, my toes are this polish, and this is the one that I have finished. It is from Colorworks. I had a feeling this was going to be the one that was done. You can see here where I was last time, and hopefully you can see it is completely empty. Like, you can see through it, at least I can, but I don't know if y'all can. I can never tell what is being picked up by the camera or not, because the viewfinder is small enough that you can't really see those fine details, but it is done. I really enjoyed this color, but I'm happy to have another polish done because I have a lot of polishes. As you would know if you saw my inventory numbers, I think that was the last video that I had up, and I don't know if this is going up the day after or not because, you know, filming, that's just, you never know with the schedule sometimes. You got to make things work when you can make them work. So that is done. I'm very happy to have another polish done. I'm going to go over the other polishes that I had in as my focus, and I'm going to show you the ones that I will be focusing on for this month. And it's not all the same ones. I'm mixing it up just a little bit just because I need to. I need to mix it up. And some of the things I don't have the greatest progress on. Every single focus polish that I had in for this past month, I did use at least once. And the polishes that were not my focus, most of them I didn't touch. A few of them I did. Not enough progress to even bother showing them to you, so this is going to be very short and sweet. But let's get into my focus polishes. This is a really old e.l.f. purple glitter. I enjoyed this. I did wear this as an accent nail once or twice, so an accent nail is not going to make major progress, but I do enjoy it, but I am not going to be focusing on it this month. And this purple from Avon, it's the color Last in Saturn. I wear this frequently with the purple glitter. I did wear this all over my nails at least once, but I can't tell if there's progress. It's so thick because it's like a one coater, and I just, like, it's not settling enough where I think I can make a line. It's weird. I just don't feel like playing with it for this month. I do enjoy it, but it's just, I'm not feeling it right now, and I want to work with things that I'm really feeling like using. Another one that was a focus that I will be pulling out for this month's focus, and it is the Revlon Streetwear, and this is in the shade Illusion. I did some accent nails when I was doing, I think it's Water Baby, I think was the shade. Yeah, it's over here. This is not my project polish. It's in a different project, but I had these two together, and yeah, I enjoyed it. This polish, it is pretty. It is like really, really pretty, but it's pokey. It doesn't always lay flat, and I really should, and I always forget to do it. As it's still tacky, I should probably press it down, but I always forget to do it, and then I top coat. I'm usually in a hurry and I'm not thinking about it. I think I would like it better if I did that, but you know, this is me not thinking because I'm a busy girl. All right, and I have 4 more polishes right here that were focus that are going to stay in my focus group. The first one is from Del Sol. It is called Electric. They no longer change anymore, but I was at the top of the silver line. I am just below it. I think it is too close to put a line on, but I really do enjoy this color. I think it is perfect for summer. It looks good on the fingers. It looks good on the toes now that I have a little bit of color, and I really want to make some good progress on it. I do not think I'm going to finish it in this focus group, but I think I can make some good progress. This one is staying in because I really enjoy it, and it is getting close. It is Wet n Wild. It doesn't have a name. It just has a number that tells you how old it is. It is 407A, and let me show you. I did not make a new line because it's thin and the progress is not quick. But I am at this red line. I do think I can have this done this year, not in this focus group, but I do think it's going to be done this year. It is really pretty, and I like to put it with a lot of things, but again, it's a very thin not top coat, but a topper, and you don't use a whole lot. Even if I was to put it on every single fingernail, it still is probably not going to show any progress on it. I probably would have to use it a half a dozen times before I can show progress. And then I have two shades from my nail technician school kit. They have been around for a hot minute. One of them I do have on my fingers right now, and I was able to make a new line. So I was here, now I'm down to here. I have worn this on my fingers at least twice, like all over my fingers like I have now. It's on every single finger. And I have done a pedicure with this as well. And I think that's why I've made such good progress on it. I think if I can hyper focus on this one, I might be able to have this one done by the next update. This one I know I will not be able to have done, but I do want to have something that's on the neutral, really light kind of side. I have not made a new line. I'm still right at the bottom of this bottom line. I guess I could have put a new line, but it would have been literally right under that silver line. And that's okay. I don't need to do that. It does get a little bit wider, but it's okay. I'm just going to play with it. Again, I do not think it's going to be done in this round or this focus group, but I know I can make some progress on it. I can do this all over, and then I can do some nail art or something like that. Or if I'm just busy, I can just do like a very neutral color. So these are my carryovers for the new focus group. I'm not even going to show you all the polishes that I didn't even touch. It's not worth the time. I have them over here, but you don't need to see all those. But I am going to be bringing in 4 more polishes to focus on for this next month. Some of them you have seen before in a focus group, some of them you have not. It seems like I'm going with 8 polishes again. That's what I had last time. I was able to finish one of them. So let me show you what I'm bringing in. These 2 you have seen before. They are both Wet n Wild. Really, really, really old Wet n Wild. This one also has just a number, but you can see where I was the last time I was using this and updating it. So I'm right there. I do not think I can have this done by the next update, but I feel like I can make some good progress on it. So then if it is a focus for a second month, not necessarily in a row, but a second month, I do think I will be able to finish it then. And then of course this topper, I always like to put with it. I am here, but I'm hoping that I will get to the point where I can make another line on this. This one is not going to be done. This one is very reminiscent of this Wet n Wild where it's thin, and I don't need to use a ton of it as a topper. It is super pretty though, especially with this red. I don't know, it gives it a little something extra because this has glitters in it. But I don't know, I just want to keep them together, and I think I can make much more progress on the red if I have this in. And then 2 polishes that I don't think I've focused on at all for the whole year. I really don't think I have. This one is incredibly old. This is the Maybelline long wearing something, 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 and I can't even read this. Let me look on my spreadsheet. This one is in the shade Dawn Glow Frost. That tells you how old it is because I don't think they even use like the term frost anymore for polishes, do they? I don't think so, but I really hope I can make some good progress. I am right here. I'd love to be able to get half of what is left done because much like the red, I feel like if I can get about half done of what's in here, then another focus month on it, and I can probably knock this one out. It is so old. I would really like to get it done this year. And the last one is going to be another Del Sol. This is not your standard. This one is like a jelly. It's a yellow jelly. And I am here at this red line. I would really love to get some usage in on this. It is getting thicker. Like you can see at the top of the bottle, it's kind of like dried up there because it's been around for a while. So I would like to get some usage on this one. I am sad that my Del Sols don't turn anymore in the sun, but you know, that's what happens when you've had them for a very, very long time. So for my focus group this coming month, I am going to have these 3 from Wet n Wild. I have 2 Del Sols, which are these 2 right here. I have 2 from my color kit, or my Kazi kit, my nail technician kit from when I was in school. And then I have, last but certainly not least, this Maybelline polish right here. So those are the 8 that I am going to be focused on for this month. Again, I may still use some of the other polishes, but they are not going to be priorities. My priorities are this focus group. I am going to use them at least once each, and I'm hoping to use them more than once. That is a priority. I have not picked, can I talk tonight? I don't think I can. I have not picked like the #1 focus polish, but if I had to say, I don't know, that's tough. It's definitely not going to be the glitter because I can't. I think it's probably going to be the pink. I think this is going to be my priority of the 8 polishes that I have pulled in, but I still want to use the other ones a lot. So we will say my goal is to try to get this pink one done out of this group, but still make some progress on these other polishes. Oh, that makes sense. It's a little late and I'm kind of rambling. I've been out in the sun all day long at the gym, playing miniature golf with the kids, doing this, that, and everything else. It has been a very long day. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.